airport, about to check in for our flight to Oklahoma.
Baby, can man jong mon fe, and in a city, you know my bed. Go a John Walik me tame, sim nana bwane. Any day my jungle walk, and I'm your boom man your coat. I'm gonna mean among a
We're going to visit a good friend of mine. She's expecting me, and I'm so excited. I haven't seen her. Oh, I haven't seen her only for a year, because last year I actually went to Seattle because it was her wedding. I attended the wedding last year, but now she moved to a whole different state. So let's see what she got over there for us.
Tomorrow no be fine. Compostura me they gonna make me confused. I think I'm myself for a look. Baby go here way. I think yeah.
Look at this girl. Look at her. Look at her. Look, what is she thinking about? She is just so. She is so lost. Why is so lost?
Baby can man jong mon fe, and in a city you know my bed. Go a John Walik me tame, sim nana bwane. Any day my jungle walk, and I'm your boom man your coat. I'm gonna mean among a club na my yellow girl, area musane. Kabo me jam seki wabo, my bwana yena no wabo mumbo. Tomorrow no be fine, compostura me they gonna make me confused. I think I'm a
That's my friend. Stealing her shirt.
I'm done with you. I'm seriously done. Come and carry your bag.
Hi, baby.
Rosa to the beat.
Hi, baby.
Hi, guys.
Oh.
say that you know my bed. Go a John Walik me tame, sim nana bwane. Any day my jungle walk, and I'm your boom man your coat. I'm gonna mean among a club na my yellow girl.
So here we are. We have finally arrived to our destination, and the girl is here. You know, I have a driver for today. That's my driver right here. And back there is Maewado. I even forgot to remove my mask. I've been wearing the mask all day long. That this is the longest I ever worn the mask. Like, oh, I love the way the sun is just shining on my face, because I'm shining like that, babies.
What do you guys have on the plane or at the airport? Is there something I should know?
Look at you. Yeah, you should be concerned about the road. You know, I'm not even gonna lie. I didn't miss this girl. I didn't miss her.
And you flew down here. Who is lying? Who is lying right now?
No, just because I flew down here to see, it doesn't mean I miss you. I didn't miss her. I can never miss Didi. No, I miss her food though. The okra, the egusi. Maybe that's what I came for. Not you.
Wow. It must be really expensive to fly all the way down.
I don't know what's going on here. I really don't know. Why is she like that? Hello guys, so right now we're actually going to be leaving the house finally to go but first going to the nail shop. I don't need to get my nails done though, because my nails are really on point, but my friend wants to get her nails done and Mayawachi wants to get her nails done. So we're going to the nail shop, and from the nail shop we'll be going to, I think, a shopping center or something, I don't know. But you guys already know I'm in Oklahoma, and this is my first time in Oklahoma. I don't know what is so special or what's good about this city and the state, but we're going to find out as we go. Everything about me is always cute. You guys know that, right? And so, yeah, my wife is wearing a street outfit. She said, a street outfit. My wife, back up, let them see your street outfit. Look at you guys, look at it, turn around. A street outfit. Like, my friend is so shy, but she will be just fine. This is my friend Didi. This is my friend Didi. We met at the University of Louisiana at Lafayette.
I've not seen you for years, and you show up in my house because of food.
Yes.
Oh, you guys,
That's all right.
help me console this girl. I hurt her feelings. So yes, guys, let's go out. Let's go out. So we just got at the nail shop and we're about to go in, and it is exactly 6 o'clock p.m.
Eninga sida yana mabe Gawa John Walik metame Usimana bwane Any day majanga walk Namia bomba man ya coat Amune mina manga club na maya luge Leri ya muswane Kabo mejama seki wabo Mabwana yena no wabo mumbo Tomorrow no be fine Compostura mi meda They gonna make me confused I think I'm myself for a luge Baby.
Hello guys, good morning. So it is a new day. It really feels good outside, and honestly I don't miss my city at this point because I'm happy to be running away from the snow. You know, my friend is working, she is in her room, and Maiwa is online with her Zoom classes in her room or in our room. And so, but right now I'm just going to use the opportunities since I really don't have any schedule for this morning. I'm going to make breakfast and I'm going to call them so we can all have breakfast. I'm not sure if you guys can actually hear the background music, the praise and worship music in the background, but guys, I'm really enjoying it. That's usually part of my morning, you know, going. Like, I need it. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and peel off my potatoes.
Baby can manjong mumpe Eninga sida yana mabe Gawa John Walik metame Usimana bwane Any day majanga walk Namia bomba man ya coat.
Hi guys, so by the way, I'm not trying to, you know, give a recipe or something. I'm just making my breakfast, our breakfast. So I just finished cooking, cutting everything that I will need. And it was honestly so easy to me to get the stuff together, even though my friend is working, because the way she organized her kitchen, like everything is, you know, where you actually expect it to be in the kitchen. So that made my life way easier. So right here I have my shrimp, I have some potatoes that are actually seasoned. And this right here, all these vegetables are actually going to be made with the potatoes. I have my egg right here, and in here I'm going to be making an omelet. I have some sweet potatoes, some bacon, and I have some avocado somewhere. So see, this is my bacon, my potatoes, some sweet potatoes, some shrimp, my egg that I actually don't like it like that. This is way overcooked, but this is the way my friend eat her egg, guys. Look at it. I wouldn't eat this, but anyways, that's the way she like it.
That's mine.
Okay, some avocado, and yeah, the breakfast is ready. I already set up the table, and I'm gonna go to the room now, call Maewa. She's in class, so she can come have some breakfast. We are about to go out. Maewa and I, we are going to the store. We're going to look for something that Maewa needs. How you guys like my casual outfit? Let me see. This is me right here. Can you see me, baby? Can you see me? Can you see me?
Hey y'all. I can't see you guys.
Maewa's always drinking something.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. You know what it is. We're not in Minnesota no more. We're in Oklahoma, OKC with it.
Anyways, that's guys. This is Didi right there. That's my friend, the lady that take 10 years to be ready. Hey, look at her face. She was not even doing makeup at all.
I haven't done anything. If she takes 10 years, you take 25. Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Exactly. You guys, don't mind what you just heard. Don't mind what you just heard. My wife said, I mean, she's not a liar, but she's not telling the truth this time. I don't take that long to be ready. No, I do not.
She takes it.
Okay, but right now, what's happening? I'm waiting for both of you.
Let me tell them what she does. 5 hours in the shower, 10 hours on her face. I don't know what she do when she gets out. 10 hours on her face. Then she comes, she gotta put on like 10 outfits. That take about another 10 hours. Oh, should I wear this? Maybe I should change. Should I wear this shoe? Maybe I should change the shoe. It was just waiting and waiting and waiting. That's how we don't go out when the sun is out.
She finished me like that. So we just got back from our outing. We went to a few different places, and as you guys can see, my friend is already fighting me right here. I don't know what
Because she finished my money.
know anything about her money. We went out to get something done. She saw things that she liked and she decided to go for it. Now she's blaming me.
She convinced me. She pushed me to get it. Oh my goodness, Rosa! Like
I pushed her.
You need to go back.
You need to go back. She's kicking me out, guys. She's kicking me out because she's buying clothes for herself.
Rosa,
She's kicking me out for buying clothes for herself. Does that even make any sense?
You keep telling me you need to get it.
Because you do need to get it.
You won't find it next time.
That's it. If you find it, you like it, you get it. If you wait for the next time, you might not find it.
You might
right,
not
guys?
find it, right?
Right, guys?
Even if you don't have the money now,
You buy it. You buy it.
Rosa. Hey.
You buy it. And right now we're about to make something to eat. We wanted to eat out, but this guy right here says he wants to eat stew with rice.
Well, what's the point?
So
like,
we decided.
This food in the house.
We decided to come home
out.
at almost 9:30 to boil rice. We're about to boil some rice so we can eat it with red stew. You guys know how,
Yes.
the African woman lady likes to do it heavy. That's why we did not end up eating out. So we're about to make some rice and get something to eat.
Are you not gonna wash the rice?
No, it's jasmine rice.
Oh well. When Nigerians don't really like jasmine rice.
Forgive us.
Sorry.
Zida yana mabe Gawa John Walik metame Usimana bwane Any day majanga walk Namya bomba man ya kot Amune mina manga club na maya luge Leri ya muswane Kabo mejama seki wabo Mabwana yena no wabo mumbo Tomorrow no be fine Compostura mi mija They gonna make me confused I think I'm myself for a luge Baby go ahead, here away, I think yeah. Baby can man jong mon fe, and I'll say that you're my bed. Go a John Walik metame, Simana bwane. Any day my jungle walk, and I'm your boom man ya caught. Amune mina manga club na maya luge, Leri ya muswane. Kabo me jama seki wabo, mabwana yena no wabo mumbo. Tomorrow no be fine, compostura mi mija. They gonna make me confused. I think I'm myself for a luge. Baby go ahead, here away. I think yeah, jame, simana bwane.
My food is ready. My wife is so ready to eat.
Ya bomba man ya caught. Amune mina manga club na maya luge. Leri ya muswane. Kabo me jama se.
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back. It is Saturday. It's actually a really lazy Saturday today. So today we really don't have much plans because it looks like everybody's just tired. Everybody wants to just stay home, chill, and do their own thing. Right now I'm trying to make something to eat since I think my wife is watching something on her phone. I don't know, laying down on the bed, and my friend is taking care of her hair. She's in the room, and as usual, I'm here. I'm a really morning person. I can't really just be sitting there in one place. So guys, it looks like I decided to make banana puff puff. I don't know if you guys ever heard about it or if you guys ever had some. You guys will know by now that I love to cook. I love cooking. I honestly do, and I don't mind. So we are finally about to go out, and we're going to be going to the outlet mall to check out the outlet and see what's new there, what's up there, what they got. But yeah, you guys look at me. Like, how do you like my outfit? I just like the fact that it's red because that's my favorite color, guys. That's my favorite.
Baby can man jong mon fe, and I'll say that you're my bed. Go a John Walik metame, Simana bwane. Any day my jungle walk, and I'm your bomba man ya caught. Amune mina manga club na maya luge, Leri ya muswane. Kabo me jama seki wabo, mabwana yena no wabo mumbo. Tomorrow no be fine, compostura mi mija. They gonna make me confused. I think I'm myself for a luge. Baby go ahead, here away. I think yeah, and I'll say that you're my
We just got back from the outlet and we actually had a lot of fun. We went out for dinner and that will complete our day for today. So, yeah.
Tomorrow no be fine. Compostura me they gonna make me confused. I think I'm myself for a look. Baby go ahead. Here way. I think yeah na be. Go a John Walik me tame. Simana bwane. Any day my jungle walk. I'm your boom man your coat. I'm una mina manga club na maya luge. Leri amusane. Kabo me jama seki wabo. Mabwana yena no wabo mumbo. Tomorrow no be fine. Compostura me they gonna make me confused. I think I'm myself for a look. Baby go ahead. Here way. I think yeah. Any day my jungle walk.
So we just got back from the restaurant and I'm so sleepy. I'm so tired. I'm gonna make myself comfortable for bed and I'll see you guys in the morning. Good night, guys. Hi, guys. I'm gonna be driving from Oklahoma to Lafayette, which is about 8 hours and 44 minutes. So we will round it to 9 hours with in case there is light traffic or anything like that. So yeah, guys, let's go along. Let's drive to Lafayette.
Tomorrow no be fine. Compostura me